Welcome everyone. Today we're going to be cracking open a box of 2022 Topps Garbage Pail Kids Chrome Chrome 5. Let's get started. I'm right in the middle of a 50 box challenge. Actually not in the middle, kind of right at the beginning. This is box number 9 out of 50. The challenge is to get a SUPERFRACTOR out of 50 boxes. Odds are not with me, to be perfectly honest. They are not with me because the odds to get a SUPERFRACTOR are very high. I'll show you in a minute. So let's see. Odds to get a SUPERFRACTOR. 1 in every, there it is right there. 12, yes, that is 12,406 packs. So I don't know. No idea how many boxes. Each one is 24. Probably 500 boxes. I don't know if my math's right on. Yeah, probably about 500 boxes to open. I'm doing 50. So we'll see if we get one. All right. So, yep, Chrome 5. Should be getting 8 refractors. There's a pin Paul. Should be getting 8 refractors and 2 what I'll call hits. 2 numbered parallels. There's our first, so there's our first refractor. You can see it's a nice atom ball there. So we got 1 of our 8 refractors so far. We've gotten 0 of our hits so far. So I've opened up 8 boxes. This is box number 9. 7 boxes out of the 8. I've had 2 hits. I'm keeping track. It's actually over on the right, or over on my left over here that I'm taking a look at. Oh, that's a nice one. Nice tree pancake refractor with a, looks like an ugly, I don't know if it's a scratch or a bend or what. That doesn't go all the way to the other side. Been seeing that quite a bit. And I'll tell you, it's not a Chrome 5 thing, it's just a Chrome thing. I saw it in 3 and I saw it in 4. It's another tree pancake. Looks like we got another, I don't know if you can see up top there, another scratch. What do we got? Both A and B version there in one pack. Looks like we got another, our 3rd refractor. Holy cow, look at that pack. That's the refractor, and then we got A and B again. 3 out of 4 were that same guy. An A, a B, and then another A, but the refractor version. Oh, there we go. Get the A and B there too. Alright, just about coming up on halfway there. Have not gotten a hit yet. Oh, looks like it's our first hit I could see. Looks like an aqua prism. Who is it going to be? Looks like it's Hugh Turn. Numbered 151 out of 199. So a nice hit. Yeah, it's been weird. Every single time I've gotten Every single time I've gotten one of those, with the Aqua, I get the X-Fractor with it. So, it's happened like, let's see, I'm checking 1, 2, 3 times exactly. Oh, there's Ethan's favorite. Ethan, my son, is here. He's 8 years old, and he sometimes sits with me while I'm doing garbage pail kid stuff. That's one of the ones that he always cracks up on when he sees. Is the hot dog. Plus, I think it's still your favorite food, right? You have new favorite foods now? I know you used to love hot dogs.
Pizza.
Oh, pizza? All right. Second half of the box. We've gotten 4 refractors. We should get 8. And we have 1 hit so far. We should have at least have 2. This is probably my favorite card of this. Clark Kent. I think that's hilarious. Looks like we got another refractor. We did. That is refractor number 5. So we'll keep our first 4 there. There's another one. All right, we got 7 packs left, including this one, to get 3 more refractor. Oh, look at that. We got a C card. Oh, look at this. We got the B right behind it. And a tree pancake. Beautiful. Got a nice C card bit kit. These are not numbered, but they're about same odds as getting a like a black refractor, I think. So they're probably around 100 or so of them. I'll double check that. So C is, we'll look at this again. So the C name variation is 1 in 100, and the black is 1 in 107. Yeah, so maybe 110 or so of those would probably be a good guess. So we've got 2 hits in this box so far. It looks like we're getting our 4, 5, 6th refractor. And we did. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah. So 6 refractors so far. We got 6 packs left. 2 hits. I'd imagine we would be getting a 3rd hit in here, because usually that C card doesn't really count as one of your numbered parallels. I have not gotten the no blue ink yet. Those are tough to get too. Let's see. So no blue ink. Yeah, 1 in almost 2,000. I don't know if that's showing up. Yeah, 1 in 1,986. So I'll tell you, those no blue inks are almost as tough as or might even be tougher than an autograph. I'll have to take a look. There is refractor number 7, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yep. So let's just see. The artist autograph. Yeah, it's actually harder. Artist autograph is 1 in every 1392. And the no blue is 1 out of every 1986. No blue ink. See this? So, if I had to pick between one, I would definitely pick the autograph. It seems easier to get too. Got 2 more packs. Let's do the bottom one first. We need a 1 refractor. I don't know if you can tell, that one looks a little bent backwards there. So we got our refractor. That is our 8th refractor. Yeah, those are bent a little bit there. So what's on the bottom of the box? Are we going to get a second hit? Yep, it looks like we are, and it looks like it's going to be green. A green Dental Daniel. Finish the rest of the pack. And there's the green. This one I think is out of $2.99. It is. Ooh, and it's a super low number. Number 2 of $2.99. So let's get him in plastic. We have a nice, our first 3-hit box. We did have one 4-hit box, but there's a 3-hit box. Very good. Here's our base. No one cares about that. Here's our 8 refractors. Only a couple people care about that. Here's what we all came to see. We'll start off with the lowest, the green. 2 out of $2.99. Green Dental Daniel. Got a nice aqua prism. It's the first one I've gotten without an X-Fractor. I don't know if that was just weird or not. 151 out of 199, and a nice C name variation. My second one so far. I got one on, I think it was the second box or third box. C card. So very good. 3 nice hits in that box. Thanks so much for watching. That was box number 9. Tune in tomorrow for box number 10. Thanks for joining me on this challenge. See you tomorrow.